Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload code files to Claude. So to get started, go ahead and open up your web browser and sign into Claude, and you should be greeted by the new chat page. So once you're here, go ahead and click on the plus button, then click on add files or photos. So if you're working with singular files or documents, it's a lot easier, but if you're working with entire code bases, that might be a little more complicated. So once you're here, you can go ahead and click on your file that you want to upload or code file that you want to upload. In this case, it's a Python script. I'm going to go ahead and click on open. And let's say this is something somebody else wrote and I want to understand what it does. So can you break down what this script does and how it does it? I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And now after just a few seconds, it's already finished analyzing the file about what it does and how it does it. So as you can see, here is the breakdown. That's just one way of uploading code files to Claude. Another way you can do it is by uploading entire folders. So Claude does come with the ability to have entire folders uploaded. Just go ahead and click on the plus button. Go ahead and click on add files or photos just like before. And this time you can drag and drop the entire folder. Although something to note is that you can only add at most 20 attachments to an image, so sometimes you might not be able to upload all of them at the same time. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.